Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing Vauxhall Astra J diesel fuel injector pump. To get access to the injector pump screw, you need to remove the pipe that is screwed on the throttle using T30. Before you start on any work, you should wear safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself from leaking fuel. Next step is to remove the fuel pipe using flathead. This pipe comes from the fuel tank to the fuel injector pump. Fuel will leak from the pipe, so keep a towel nearby. Now remove the return pipe using flathead. It is connected to the fuel injectors and allows excess fuel that isn't used for combustion to be returned back to the fuel tank, ensuring proper fuel pressure and reducing the risk of fuel system problems. I've decided to remove this pipe using T30 for better camera angle, but if you don't want to remove it, it's up to you. Now using 14mm, remove the pipe that goes from the fuel pump to the fuel rail pressure sensor. Now remove the rail pressure sensor end using 17mm. Remove the solenoid connector. I used flathead for better camera angle, however they are removed easily. Using T25 Torx, remove the 3 screws as shown. A bad diesel fuel pump can cause a range of symptoms, including difficulty starting, loss of power, sputtering, and engine stalling. Other potential signs include reduced fuel efficiency, unusual noises from the fuel tank, and black or blue exhaust smoke. Difficulty starting: the engine may struggle to start, requiring extended cranking, or may not start at all. Loss of power: noticeable power loss, especially when accelerating or driving uphill, can indicate a failing fuel pump. Engine sputtering or misfiring: the engine may sputter or misfire, particularly when accelerating. Engine stalling or surging: the engine may stall unexpectedly or surge while driving. The only thing that's left to do is to pry the pump using flathead or a lever. The fuel pump is linked with camshaft, and there is also an extra part that goes between the camshaft and the pump. Make sure to also remove that too. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.